Hi everyone, Vinny here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of easy-to-use Excel tools that make you work faster and simpler. We focus on creating straightforward, reliable solutions that save you time and take the hassle out of manual work. Today, let me tell you about one of our clients, a boutique town planning consultancy in Australia. Their team regularly works with large data sets of property addresses for mapping, site analysis, and urban planning projects. The challenge they faced was getting accurate latitude and longitudes, also known as geocodes, for every address. Doing it manually, copying and pasting to online tools one by one was very slow, frustrating, and definitely prone to errors. So that's when they started using our Excel Geocoder, a tool that gives you precise geographic coordinates straight from Google Maps, all without leaving Excel. So the Excel Geocoder, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's an Excel-based tool that connects directly to Google Maps via Google Maps API. So it automatically fetches latitude, longitude, and altitude values for any list of addresses. To make the setup even easier, we include a step-by-step video guide on shows exactly how to generate your own Google Maps API key and how to insert it into the tool. So this company, this Australian consultancy, now uses our tool, our Excel Geocoder, as part of their everyday workflow. Let me show you how it works and how they're using it. They simply paste their list of property addresses into the address column, click the Generate button, and within seconds, the latitude, longitude, and altitude fields populate automatically without any effort. What once took hours of manual work, now it's done in just a few clicks, giving their team instant access to accurate geographic data for mapping, site analysis, and reporting. So for the past 16 years, our tools have helped more than 7,000 satisfied customers, from small businesses to large corporations, to just do better work more efficiently, work faster. We have over 145 five-star reviews, Google reviews. Check us out. Professional in industries like logistics, transport, and urban planning, like this case, trust our Excel tools to simplify their workflows and turn complex data into very useful insights. Here is why people love our tools. They're simple to use, they require no installation, and come with excellent customer support, something that's very uncommon these days. You only pay once. Again, another uncommon thing, there is no subscription or hidden fees. With Excel Distance Calculators, you'll get a reliable tool that's easy to use, saves time, and delivers results extremely fast. And if you'd like to do all those things, save times, get accurate coordinates instantly, download our Excel Geocoder using the link below. There's going to be a link to download this in the description of this video. And if you need a custom-built Excel tool, also you can reach me directly via phone, email, or live chat at our site, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips and tools that will make your work and your life easier. Thanks for watching and happy converting.